Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious, moist, fudgy brownie. To start with, we are going to set our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we'll start with our ingredients. We are going to be using 227 grams of European butter. We can cut them into smaller pieces because we're going to melt them down. It's much easier to melt in the microwave when they are in smaller chunks as opposed to one big lump. We are going to melt this in the microwave. We melted all 227 grams. Next, we'll bring our sieve and we'll sieve in about 1 cup or about 75 grams of 100% cocoa premium baking chocolate. We also add 325 grams of coconut sugar and we'll sieve together. You want to sieve your cocoa powder because some of the lumps of the sugar and cocoa. So it is important to make sure that you don't have big lumps and big chunks in there. And then what we want to do is to mix this well. You really do want to whisk it really well to dissolve all the sugar. You want the sugar to be less gritty. You can also do this with a hand mixer. It smells so good. Next, we want to add 3 room temperature eggs, ensuring that you don't add any shell. 1, 2, 3. And then we mix. Then we add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee just to help the chocolate be a little bit more enhanced in taste. Then we want to mix until we get that nice and silky consistent. Then to that, I will add 1 tablespoon of homemade vanilla extract. We add a full teaspoon of sea salt. We are getting that nice, luscious, chocolatey consistent. Very silky. Smells amazing. Now we're going to set this aside. Next, we are going to chop some 100% dark chocolate. We are going to use a combination of dark chocolate and chocolate chips, totaling 260 grams. I'm going to try and roughly chop these. Next, we are going to pour the chocolate in and mix. You want to mix everything first before you add the flour, because once you add the flour, you do not want to whisk too much air. You just want to make sure that the flour is combined so that the gluten doesn't develop and it becomes doughy. That's not what we want. Finally, I'm going to add most of this in, and then I'm going to just leave a small amount for the top and then mix. In the meantime, we'll grease our brownie pan and place a parchment paper to fit so that it will be easier to bring it out. Next, we get 1 cup of all-purpose flour and we sieve it in. Then mix together. You want to fold it in. You don't want to whisk it in. And you don't want to over mix. Once all the flour has been mixed, that's when you stop. Mix enough to get all that flour incorporated. Oh, it smells so delicious. So next, what we want to do is to put it in our baking pan. You want to make sure you scrape off all of it. Once you pour it in, you want to spread it so that it is evenly spread out. Look at that richness. Wow. You want to make sure that it's shaped. Then take the last set of dark chocolate and spread a few of it on top, and then a sprinkle of sea salt on top for that extra bite. And now we'll put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes to 45 minutes. 35 minutes has elapsed. My goodness. This is heavenly. We are going to let it cool down and then we'll come back and we'll cut into it. By magic of editing, the brownie has cooled down. Look at that. So it's time for us to take it out. Comes out really easily. Now we're going to cut it. Wow. Look at how moist that is. Let's spin it around so we can see the inside. This is yummy. Now for the taste test. I can't wait. Oh my God, this is chocolate lover's dream. It is so moist. The hint of salt on top, incredible. Promise you, this is so good. Oh, it is incredibly delicious, completely irresistible, very moist, very yummy. I don't even like chocolate, but this is so good. I may even change my mind on not liking chocolate business. Somewhat healthier because I use 100% dark chocolate. It is crunchy on the outside, moist in the inside. You should try this at home. This is quick and easy. Once you make this, you will make it all the time. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you will be notified when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you. Stay blessed. Go out and have fun.